Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa if you haven't been here before. Today what we're going to do is we're going to be doing a little look with the Glam-o-ween palette by Spoiled Cosmetics and Sydney Nicole. If you don't know, Sydney Nicole does a lot of cool Halloween looks. Oh, let me take the plastic off. Does a lot of cool Halloween looks on Instagram. She also does YouTube videos as well. And that's what the palette looks like. So we're just gonna see how this palette performs and do kind of a Halloween look. And if that's something you want to see, then just keep watching. Alright, I'm gonna take off my glasses. I did my brows same as usual with the e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil in neutral brown, and prime my eyes with the ColourPop Chrome Shadow and Laurel. So same thing we always do. I'm a little worried because I'm doing something different than I usually do. I'm going to go into the palette and take pumpkin right here. And I'm going to put that in my outer corner using my BK Beauty 207 brush, just that pencil brush, that fluffy pencil brush by BK Beauty. Alright, now I'm taking just a Morphe little flat brush, just something that I can do a little precise work with, and I'm going to take Candy Corn right here, this yellow shade, and I'm going to put that in the middle of my eye. Alright, now I'm going to take a similar brush to the last one, but this one is ColourPop E20. Just a flat kind of shader, small shader brush that I can do a little precision work with. And I'm going to take Ghost right here. And I'm going to put that on my inner half of my eye. I'm taking a cotton round with some micellar water, just clean it up right on my edges. I'm going to take the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glotion in Light Glow. I'm going to dot that on the face. And I'm taking the Nars Soft Matte Complete Foundation in Mont Blanc Light 2. I really enjoy this foundation, and I was kind of looking for something with a little matte finish, so and I'm going to blend this out with my Multitasker by Sigma. I hadn't even put my hair back yet. I'm going in with the Meet Your Hue Dose of Colors Concealer in 08 Light. And I'm putting this under my eyes. Blending that out with my concealer brush. Alright, as usual, taking the number 7 powder in light and setting my concealer with it. I'm just taking a little bit. Taking the Butter Bronzer in a bronzer, shade bronzer. Oops. I'm going to use that to warm up my face. Going under the chin and down the neck. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Face Duo in White Peach again. I think it would match better this look with the orange shades. Alright, I'm going to take that highlighter that's in there and put that on the high points of my face. Pretty. Going over the brow. Going over the other brow. Down the nose. Cubiso. And the chin. I don't think I'm going to put anything in the lower lash line, but I am going to take this number Lucky 13, or shade Lucky 13, down at the bottom, and I'm going to put that in my inner corner. Just using a ColourPop pencil brush. It's a E10. And if you recreate this look, you can use any orange, yellow, and white. It's just making sure to kind of keep them in the right spot, and using small brushes is the main thing. And you can always add orange or green or even purple to the lower lash line, would be really pretty. But I'm just going to take some Thrive Cosmetics mascara, and I'm going to put that on my lashes real quick, and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm going to take the Maybelline Superstay Ink Matte in Mocha Inventor. And I'm going to put that on my lips. I'm going to use the Tarte Maracuja Mist. I'm still liking that mist pretty good. So, alright, well, this is the final look using the Glam-o-ween palette. I'll probably use this again just because I didn't get to use a ton of shades out of it. I might use it again tomorrow and play with it some more. But I was really wanting to do a candy corn look for this Halloween. So, and when I got this palette, it had the perfect colors in it to do it. So I couldn't resist giving y'all a little candy corn moment. So, but I'm really enjoying this palette so far. The shades are super pigmented and great for laying down like I did. So I'm excited to play with it a little bit more and see what other looks I can come up with. I hope you like the look. I really, really love it. I enjoy it. So I'm going to have to take quite a few pictures of it so I can keep it in memory. So like I said, this is decently easy to recreate, just using smaller brushes and orange, yellow, and white, and it's that simple. So, and it's a great way to be festive. So if you like the video, please hit the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love for you to become a part of our family here. Also ring the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload my amazing content. And that's going to be all for me. I hope y'all are staying happy, healthy, taking care of yourselves, and I hope y'all have a great rest of the day. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.